Once you have purchased your PADI course and registered your details with DiveCampus, you will receive an email from PADI with a unique link to activate your course. Open the email and click on Start Course to redeem your PADI e-learning. You will then be redirected to the PADI website where you can create a new account or log into your existing PADI account. Can't find the email? No problem. Just visit learning.padi.com and create a new PADI account or log into your existing one. Scroll down and enter your access code to redeem your e-learning. Our representatives will assist you with your access code. Once course is redeemed, give it a few seconds for the course to appear on the drop-down. Choose course type and preferred language before you start your course. Good luck and see you soon for your in-water training. Here's a pro tip. Download the PADI training app for an easy access to your e-learning. Here you can download the e-learning and access on the go even without internet connection.